I left London, UK, and I'm on a mission to see where I should stay for the rest of my life.
A teenager has been arrested on suspicion.
School in Brent in northwest London.
The reason why I'm leaving the UK is because for me, the UK is not safe for me anymore. High knife crime, high taxes, people telling me get out of my country. So right now I'm traveling to different countries to see where I should stay for the rest of my life. And today I am in New Cairo, Egypt.
Certainly something that needs to be reported and monitored on in case it turns into a trend. This is quite an interesting phenomenon. I'd imagine there should be some sort of studies done on this type of emigration. So you've got this Muslim lad moving out of England due to safety reasons and the rise of nationalism. That in itself is an interesting phenomenon. The irony here is you've got so many people wishing to replace this lad and James from places like India and Nigeria, etc. So that's their dream, to move over to England, whilst lads like this and James are wanting out, increasingly so. Of course, it makes sense why more and more people want out of England and Britain in general. The writing's on the wall. There's been a downgrade and the dark clouds are hovering over Britain, such as, obviously, the gentleman's mentioned, the lad just mentioned, taxes, cost of living, competition for resources and jobs. It's just running people down. It's not just about safety concerns.
Here is my apartment. I share it with one other friend. He's Egyptian. We split the rent. So altogether the rent is $300 per month. $150 equals to £111 per month. Like, that is so cheap. This right here is a 3-bedroom apartment.
Having said that, whether a move over to a different country is a solution, I'm not too sure. To be honest, I'm not convinced. We've seen James move out to Thailand. You've got Mr. Sullivan encouraging young men to make their move to UAE to seek their fortune. This lad's talking about the cost of living in Egypt, Cairo. Yeah, sure, 110 quid for your rent per month or whatever he said is great value. And according to Grok, Egypt is significantly cheaper than Thailand. So you've got a lot of expats going over to retire and live in places like Thailand for cost of living reasons. Maybe Egypt needs to be
I'm in Qatar, Dubai, like the Gulf Arab countries. Alhamdulillah, this right here is New Cairo. Nice and quiet.
For the young British lad, I'm a realist. I don't think moving to a cheaper place like Paraguay, Thailand or Egypt is going to cut the mustard. I don't think it's going to help a younger Brit long term. If you think long term, I think you'll see a lot of downside when it comes to moving over to somewhere like Egypt, Thailand or Paraguay. As a young man, you've got to focus on increasing your wealth rather than just conserving it. How do you increase your wealth? The way to increase your wealth is through boosting your earnings power and potential. Build up your assets, build up your wealth, build up your earnings, your wages. Can a place like Cairo allow a young lad like this to earn as much as they would say in Manchester or London? I doubt it. Just like James in Thailand, you're not allowed to work in those countries. That makes it very difficult for young blokes to make serious wealth when they move out to places like Thailand or Egypt or Paraguay. So in all likelihood, yeah, these lads, they're moving out. But I guarantee you, James will be back, and I guarantee you, I'd imagine this lad will be back as well.